Hello everyone. In this video I'm really happy to announce a new release for TheAnimeScripter, the release of 1.9.0. This release will contain a lot of changes. Most of them will be related to the UI and how Adobe, or rather TheAnimeScripter, communicated with After Effects. First and foremost, we will see a brand new UI that is dynamic, that is much more user-friendly, and just generally a much better quality of life experience. Provides a better quality of life experience. First and foremost, the biggest change is the fact that it should work in the background now. So you can just cut out things, maybe scale them. Let's assume you can scale them, but you apply effects, and it will do everything in the background for you without having to block After Effects and make it unusable in the meantime. This is still a work in progress. I'm still planning to add a couple of more things to it, but it should make your experience much better. Another significant change was the addition to pre-render into the checkbox options. Basically, it will now allow you to pre-render without having to first press a button, then wait for it to finish, and then do upscaling. Let's say you have a final project that, in this case, let's just simulate a 130% scale and maybe and let's not do rotate. Let's just simulate this is the final project that you want to upscale, interpolate, but you don't have it rendered yet. You can send it to the render queue. It will work in the background while you can go and do your things. And it's done all in the background without you having to ever worry about things. Of course, it's also deduplicated. I want to mention it, so you will see a couple of mismatches, but the point of the matter is it will do everything for you without you having to bother with extra stuff. Another quality of life improvement, or rather new feature that has been added, is Upscale frame skip. Upscale frame skip basically allows, in case you don't want to remove duplicates, you want to keep them, you don't want to interpolate only to upscale. Upscale frame skip basically looks for duplicate frames, and if there are duplicates, it will just repeat the previous upscaled frame. It will increase the performance in really duplicated scenarios by up to like 50% from what I've seen. I've seen 25 to 50%. It depends really on the clip itself, but it can be 0 to 50%. It really depends on the clip. A new model for interpolation has been added, 4.18 NCNN, 4.18 TensorRT. This will basically allow you to have the latest and greatest of models. I've seen it's quite a lot better than 4.15. I wasn't able to compare it against 4.17 yet. Depth anything models have been changed from V1 to V2. Well, from what I've seen, the quality is a lot superior for a really small taxing performance. Maybe I can do a test clip somewhere here. Yeah, let's do on this one. So let's assume I want to test this. We do extract that map. It will do it in the background. Of course, in my case, the model is already downloaded, but it should download it for you too in the background. Maybe I can do also a test on the small model of V2. But the main benefit, of course, again, it's the fact that it's working in the background. This is the small model, this is the large model. Am I right? I think I'm right. I'm not sure anymore. Down to you to guess which one looks better. Again, you can test them all out and see which one works better. There's also an about page. This about page communicates some of the I guess just a really small introduction to what is going on, so you get an idea. No extension usually means that it's only for GTX 10000 series GPUs. TensorRT extension only for RTX 2000. DirectML is anything DirectX 12 capable. So basically, even I believe like 10-year-old GPUs have DirectX 12 support. All GPUs NCNN. Yeah, that's self-explanatory for the most part. You will see all the options and you can check based on your own GPU and system. Apart from that, there hasn't been many models added. There's a couple of things I'm cooking. AutoCAD clip has not been added just yet. I will add it soon for in a future release, but technically there's already a new feature in 2024, Adobe 2024. That introduces this feature in some degree. All of these benefits come with a small drawback that we need to take into account. TAS will only have official support for Adobe 2022, I believe, 2022 and onwards, with theoretical support for Adobe 2020, I believe, or 2020. I'm not exactly sure if it will work with it or not. I haven't tested it. I have only tested on the latest release available, which is 2024. But I digress. You can try them and see if it works or not for you. But for the most part, this is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting TAS. The download link will be in the description below, and talk to you later.